We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I hope you're having a good day. So this week's challenge, or be challenged on Friday with Friends, is really difficult for me. Our special guest this week is Cathleen from Acrylic Creations, and our challenge comes from Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty. She challenged us to do a Picasso style pour, or Picasso style painting, where mixed media was allowed. Now, pour, yes. Paintbrush and draw, not my strong points. So let's see what we're going to do with this challenge. Okay, I have an Artist Loft Level 3 Gallery Wrap 12 by 16 inch canvas. I have done some initial sketching with a pencil on here to help me know where to get started. I've got a whole batch of paintbrushes. I've got some palette knives. I've got a whole mess of paints off to the side here, and I may add more. I've got some texture products over here in case I decide I want to throw some of that in. And we're just going to start winging it because I have no clue what I'm doing here. So let's get started. I'm just going to start throwing some paint down.
Left going right, doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it. We want it. Yeah, we just want to have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. If you need a hand, I am here for you. If you get lost, I'll lead you back, yeah. Walk that extra mile, I would do that too. Just so I could be beside you. If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. Know I got your back, your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. 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 I know the world can be a crazy place sometimes. Know that I am here beside you. We can leave tonight, leave it all behind. If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. Know I got your back, your battles are mine.
Mixed up some of my colors with a little modeling paste just to add a little texture here.
Lay it all Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain.
Okay, I let everything dry a bit. It still needs more work. But I'm going to do a little mixed media fun with the hair here. I've decided I'm going to play with some paint skins and zizz it up. So here we go. I've got some Mod Podge and a batch of paint skins.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close. And when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind.
Okay, we're going to let that dry a bit. And then maybe add some more stuff.
Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars and my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you.
Okay, final step. I've got my markers. We're going to start having some fun.
Next to you, next to you. You held me back when I tried to move on from your life. So you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here. 'Cause I'm mad, show no fear. Wanna let you know just how it felt. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't you think we're good? There's no way we could be. No, oh, no, 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 no. I know the way you look at me. I know it too well. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. I'll never touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. 'Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. We've been up, we've been down, trying to figure things out. End up losing myself in this but I'm done being dumb. Gotta end it all now. I won't ever turn it round again. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't you think we could? There's no way we could be. No, oh, no, 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 no. I know the way you look at me. I know it too well. Now I'm bulletproof. You
Okay, we're going to let that dry.
I'll never touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never the shadows way too long.
Okay, everyone, we have the final results. I hope you enjoyed this. I made so many changes. I even went a little crazy near the end here, just to show you. I don't know if you can see around the edges here, but even the sides are painted to match. So let's show you down here. We start down here at the bottom. We go up our paint skin here. On this side we have Mr. Owl and all of his beautiful texture. The tree and the owl. And I love how I made it so that the hair looks like it wrapped around the tree as it got there. I hope you enjoyed this. It was a wonderful challenge from Janet. Before me, you should have seen our special guest, Cathleen with Acrylic Creations. After me, you should see Janet from Acrylic Creations by Jwitty, and then Betty from Oak by Betina. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to see more videos. This was such a wonderful challenge, and we have more to come. So, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And goodbye.